The bell rings, and you have to admit she's like a bull seeing red.
All business, no frills. Once she sets her sights on an opponent, she's on them until she gets the W.
Definitely not the type of competitor you want to take lightly.
And she has to face a woman who has been at the top of her game. It's going to be hard for anyone to take on a superstar with the kind of trajectory she's been on lately. For good measure.
Strong impact.
Saw it coming. Elbow to the face will stop you cold.
Set out mat slam.
Driver submission. Think about all the pain she's in right now.
There's no shame in giving up now. Ooh, look at, elbows to the side, and that'll create the break. Uh-oh. Samoan drop.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb. Into the lung blower. All she has to do is capitalize.
Look out. 5-star frog splash. She's taking a beating here.
Not a bad place to be in, but the longer this goes, the more trouble a superstar exposes themselves to.
Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact.
Incoming! Reverses direction and nails the splash.
Just putting their body in danger time and time again.
DDT.
Spike. And now she finds herself only playing defense.
Yeah, a lot of work going into keeping her down now.
One response after another.
I think we're going to...
Good timing with that reversal.
Slam.
She's going for it. No, she kicks out.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
Inverted DDT. I think we're going to see it, gentlemen.